The Recycle OECS model is structured on 5 pillars. Pillar 3, the financing pillar.
How critical is sustainable financing? In most Caribbean countries, the waste management sector is paid for from the national budget. We need infrastructure like waste bins, trucks, sanitary landfills, composting and recycling plants. Without sustainable financing and financial instruments, this is not possible. Every waste generator, citizen or user, importer, has to pay for the collection and final disposal or treatment of its waste. We have to make citizens aware of the fact that if they generate waste, that they have to pay for collection and final disposal. And secondly, include producers and importers in the financing for the waste that they generate.